well, second video. And this one we're going to clean out some of the junk in the box. And we're going to clean out all the junk inside the cab. Rip out some of these wires that seem to go nowhere. And maybe we'll unbolt the seats. So I can show you something in the next video. But let's get it cleaned up a bit. So we see, well, I can see what I'm working with here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unbolt these seats. For that you need a 13 mil. And there's 4 bolts for the passenger seat, 4 for the driver. This little centerpiece here, there's nothing, it just floats with the driver's seat. So I'll get that done, and then we'll pull the seats up. And that's really the magic of video, which I've always wanted to say. What took you guys just a few seconds took me a good half an hour. This bolt back here, there was an old quarter-inch drive socket stuck on it, and then of course some bolts broke, and then because I guess somebody took the seat out before, one of the bolts was a 9/16 bolt, and I had to crawl underneath and try to jam the other one with a wrench. But we got the seats out. As you can see, there's a bunch of garbage, so that'll be interesting. Get a garbage bag. And it looks like there might have been a little mouse at one time trying to make a home. Also found some shavings in the glove box. So I wonder what other kind of magic secrets we're going to find. Bargain Hunter from 2011. The old papers. That's garbage. Busted hammer. Hammer, no handle. Razor. Flashlight. Lighter. Pen. A marker. There's a pen. There's a marker. Lots of good crap. So I'm gonna have to grab a garbage bag and throw all this out. I'm gonna rip out the rubber mat and show you what's underneath it. Out, cleaned up. I know a little bit more what I'm looking at, which will be in the next video when I go over what it needs for safety. So until then, keep it between the ditches.